Hi, I'm Monster1970, and today I'm going to be replacing the bearings in this case half of the 1984 Honda Shadow VT500C. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take crankshaft out of here. It's been sitting there for a while. Now, I think I can take this out. Let's see if I can pull this entire assembly out at once. And I've got a set of gears down in there I got to pull out also. I'll try to set this off to the side. Out. Punching out the cages. Well, I broke the cage out of this side of the bearings, so I should be able to get the extractor in there. Yep, it'll work. So I'm going to be doing the same thing with this one. Just slowly going around, breaking the cage off, retainer off on this side. Okay, I broke the cage out on this side, retainer, or the ball separator, whatever the hell it is. So now I can get these in here. I'm going to pull these both out. I'm using this 14mm deep well socket with the socket end down. I think that's a 3/8 drive end down. I'm putting this tool in on top of it, this piece here. Trying to line that up as best as I can. See if this will turn out. There's one. Other side of the cage came out. Looks pretty good. There's one of them. Same thing. I'm going to put this down in here. Put this on top. Loosen this back up. There's that one. A lot of assembly lube in there. There's our other bearing. I can take all this apart, get this cage out of here. Sit these out of the way. See how they came out. Looks pretty good. That seemed to be messed up. But anyways, that's the two bearings out. I'm going to clean up this area. Spray it off with some brake clean. See if I can't clean this up a little bit better. I thought I cleaned it pretty good. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to spray this off, clean it up, and then, well, why don't I get a rag, start working on those other bearings. These are the bearings I'm going to be installing. This is one of them. I'm going to clean that up. We got to get the grease out of it. This is a ORS 07236204 2RS G93C3. Made in Turkey. So I got, these came with a seal on them. So what I got to do with these is take my pick in here. Not much of an issue. There we go. There's one. And there's the other one. I'm going to put these in this way. I think what I'm going to do is try to heat up the case. I'm going to clean these up, put them in the freezer for a little bit, get them nice and cold, clean this up, heat it up a little bit with the heat gun, try to get it up to about 200 degrees, and then drop these in. Okay, I've got the case heated up 160 degrees on this one side. I got the bearings in the freezer. I just pulled them out. I'm hoping that I'll be able to just slide them in here without having to really punch on them. Nope, no such luck. Try another one quick. That one's good. 1 1/4 inch socket, and I tapped that back down in there. I had to pull this bearing back out. I don't think it was going in straight, so I'll put a different one in there. See, it turns nice now. I had to tap on the center here a little bit to lower that piece down because it sounded like it was rubbing, but everything looks good there now. I'm going to put some oil on it and set the gears back in there, and then I'll put the crank back in. Got the gears back in. I'm going to put the crank in. Trick to getting the gears back in was to put it up on its side, slide all the gear assemblies in, and then sit it back down, and then you can slide the forks around, pull this pin out first, and then you can align the forks and get the shifting drum back in. So everything seems to be correct. I won't know until I get the case half back on as to whether or not all the gears are in the right order. Well, I'm sure that they're in the right order. I've had this together before. Right now it's in neutral, and it appears that all of the gears go and engage. It did before, And the bearings are in. Like I said, I just need to put the crank in. And the crank should go in. Put a little assembly lube on it. Make sure I get that cleaned up. Lower one in there. This end, the keyed end, is the one that goes to the left of the engine. Slide this around. That's the way that'll go. Like I said, I got to clean up all this assembly lube that I just got over the clean case half. This is a new bearing I'm going to be installing on here. 16005 C3. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil on that one also. Well, I'll do it for replacing this bearing and the two other bearings down in on the gear transmission, the transmission left case half. In the next video, I'll be putting the oil pump in, replacing the seals, and hopefully be getting the right side back together. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.